If you've ever saved a CapCut template and then couldn't find it later, this video is going to make things super easy. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to view your saved or favorited CapCut templates on CapCut PC, so you can get back to the templates you like without wasting time searching all over again. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where CapCut keeps different sections like your projects, media, and templates. From that left menu, click on Templates. This will take you into the template library, where you can browse and search through available template options. Now, when the templates page opens, look just below the search bar. You should see a filter option labeled Favorites. Click that Favorites filter and CapCut will instantly show you the templates you've saved or favorited before. This is the fastest way to find templates you already marked for later use, especially if you've collected a lot of them over time. Once the filter is applied, you can scroll through your favorite templates and choose the one you want to use again. This makes it much easier to organize your workflow and quickly return to the styles you already know you want. So to recap, all you need to do is open CapCut PC, go to Templates from the left menu, and then click the Favorites filter under the search bar to view your saved templates. And that's it. Now you know how to find your favorite CapCut templates in just a few clicks. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial.